it's Bird Lover. I kind of made like 4 videos now, and this is like my 5th video because my other ones did not go well. And apparently, I'm starting off on my home screen, but I'm playing Birdland Paradise, and this game sucks for some reason now because of a dumb glitch. And then my phone has a nice, awesomely good cage, and my tablet has a different cage, even on when it is logged into the same account. See? And no, I don't want you. Okay. My real one is that one. That's so stupid. See? And I also want advice. How to get the dumb branches down. Because when I try to do it on my phone, like there's this thing that comes down when you go like that. Every single time I try to move it down, this dumb thing will come down. And I can't tap the birds when they're up there or anything. And I don't like it. Well, I'm going to place a GIF anyway. Okay, so, no, wait, no. And my actual thing is YouTube user 2. My tablet is the YouTube user 2. And my phone is just YouTube user, like original. Okay, home. And I try to make a group, like my Birdland. Oh my gosh. My YouTube user, my phone one, searched up, oh my gosh. Love birds. Join the club, and this is it. So I'm gonna join it just to show you. Case. Oh wow, I get a lot of stuff. Okay. There's like no one in here. God, I'm joking. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. Well, I'll just stay in it, I guess. But I was gonna create one, but I didn't have enough dumb money. But I only have 1 cage on this one. Oh, I have 3. Oh wow. Oh, I think. Really, I keep going into you. Don't want you. I have an egg, which is gonna hatch in for a minute because of that and that. Wonder what their names are. No, I don't want you. Bingo, what the heck? You. I'm gonna name you Ready. No, I did not spell that right. Ready. And I'm gonna change your name to something good. Sorry. Where's that little symbol thingy? I have no idea where that dumb symbol thingy is. I might not have it. It's like that R symbol thingy. So I'm just gonna do this. R. Oh wait, it's capital R. Okay. There. Sorry, the game. Rename. Did you know that I can actually delete this branch? And there's only 1 branch left. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's just hilarious. Whoa. Come get it. Come get it. I'm just gonna keep that 1 branch because doing this is just hilarious. Sorry. I got interrupted. Anyway, I wish I can. No, I don't want you. It's still so funny. That's just hilarious. Look at them. That's just hilarious. Okay. Oh, I did not see it. That is just the ugliest I've ever seen. Oh my So, please, if you like this video, please go to that one and, follow it. If you want, you can follow this one. I really don't care. As long as you follow one of them. Ooh, whoa, I can remove? I'm gonna remove you. You. Okay. So, yeah. Wait! Hurry, 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 hurry. I'm going to the good one. Look at all the fingerprints. That's just hilarious. Oh gosh. No. Well, it just looks different. So I have a lot of birds and it looks really old. Oh my gosh. Oh, I've... No! Claim. Ew, why do I keep getting that same dumb bird? Where are you? Which? That cage. Oh my gosh. Gotta be kidding me. I hate you, dumb bird. Don't care about you. So basically I have a lot of those because I barely play this game now. But I am making a second. I am making a second. The story I came up with. And it is involving, where is it? Is it seriously in that dumb cage? Don't tell me it is, because who knows those icky yucks birds are. Look at that hummingbird. What? Oh, I thought it would get stuck up there. Wait, where's my eagle? Okay, you are going to die. No, I want you to die. No, I want you to die. Same with you. But that's in it. Ugh. That one's in it. Why is this cage dirty? So that one's in it. Let's try to find the eagle now. Oh, there it is. That eagle's in it. And the brown is in it. And also that guy. Basically everyone in here is. Just, a crane. So that one's Nevaeh. That one just flew. Darky. Macaw. Bluehead. Snow. Bluebeak. Puffin. That thing right there, a woodpecker. Not you. Where's Pinkhead? There it is. Pinkhead. Okay. Alright, YouTube, I gotta go now. Since it's gonna take forever to upload, which is like 9 minutes and 47. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. It's gonna take. Whoa, I just noticed this. Blue and yellow eyes. Oh wow, my battery's gonna die. It just said. Oh my god, it's 10 minutes. Okay, so I gotta go now since like it's gonna take forever to upload. It's gonna kill my phone battery, which is already on red because it just told me I better plug it in, otherwise it will die. So yeah, bye.